Hello everyone, this is Heather Brown from Santa Fe ISD Technology Department. I wanted to go over one of the free resources online available to students and to teachers. It's the Desmos online graphing calculator. As you can see, it's desmos.com/calculator. What you'll want to do is sign up if you don't already have an account, and when you sign up, you can choose email address. And then here, it's automatically defaulting to my account. Put your email if you want to have a nickname and your password, and then you would agree to the terms after you have read them. You would click Create Account after that. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to keep just on the generic version. Once you create an account, it will allow you to title your graph. Again, you'd have to create an account to do that, and that is free. The default when you open Desmos looks like this. You can zoom out or zoom in by using the plus minus buttons on the side. If you click home, it takes you back to the default. If you click the little wrench in the top right, this will give you your settings. You can choose for it just to have the grid, or it can have the arrows on the X and Y axis as you see here. You can change the parameters for your X and Y axis. Do you want it to go all the way to -10, +10 for X and Y? That can be changed here. And you can also change it from radians or degrees, and that will depend on the requirements that your teacher sets forward. So I'm going to click off of here. Oh, and you can also click projector mode. It just makes it a little bit more crisp and easier to see. So this is off, this is on projector mode. This is helpful for teachers when they are sharing, or for students if they're sharing their screen virtually. I'm going to click this off. And then if you go over here and click Add Item, you'll notice it gives you an array of things you can add. You can add a table. I'm just going to put some values in here real quick. And you can see right here that it's showing. Now, if you pick values that are outside the current screen frame, you won't see them right away. But again, if you zoom out, here's the point that I just plotted. You can add notes. If there's a note that you want to send to your teacher, a note you want to remind yourself, you can put that here. You can add expressions. And whenever you click expression, I guess what you consider the keyboard appears. But you can also, I'm going to exit out of this and that deletes it. You can also go straight to the keyboard. So y equals, and if you notice, as you're putting this in there, it starts to graph the line. If you don't want to see the line, you simply click this little image to the left. Click it back for it to appear. You can also add images, and depending on which image you want to share, I'm trying to find a math related. This one says math, but it's not the greatest. Well, we'll have to use it. So math, and as you can see, it displays the image on the graph. There might be an instance where you need that. If you're like, oh, I don't want that on there, simply click the X and it goes away. When you click the edit list, that also allows you to easily edit anything you've added to it. So again, Desmos, this is a free online graphing calculator available to teachers and students. And I hope this helps, and I hope you have a great school year.